The thing about me is I will always go feral for pickles. But this packaging, come on, change the packaging. I just can't. Like, I'm eating this out of a plastic bag because otherwise it's gonna spill everywhere. When you open it up, it spills. It's just always wet. So I'm keeping it in my fridge in a plastic bag. Oh my gosh. And the little pickled garlics in the jar get me every time. I fished out another one. Love these. Press down firmly on the edge. Just get new packaging. Like, they're so expensive for what? The packaging sucks, but they're so good. Back in the fridge.